Autumn is coming. It's the perfect time to refresh your home with cozy and charming decorations. One of the easiest and most versatile ways to add a touch of autumn warmth is with a yarn wreath. Yarn wreaths are not only simple to make, but they also offer a customizable touch that can enhance any space. Whether you choose to hang them indoors or outdoors, these yarn wreaths will bring a welcoming and stylish flair to your home. Bold fall wreath. Use navy yarn for a striking contrast. Add colorful fabric petals and pearls for a unique touch. Orange and yellow yarn wreath. Cover the wreath with bright orange and yellow yarn. Decorate with dried blooms and orange wheat for a vibrant fall look. Neutral yarn wreath. Choose a neutral yarn and adorn it with colorful fabric leaves and flowers. This simple DIY project adds a touch of fall elegance. Bright orange yarn wreath. Opt for bold orange yarn and embellish with fall blooms and leaves. This wreath is perfect for a lively autumn statement. Fabric flowers and berries wreath. Create a bright orange yarn wreath with fabric flowers, leaves, and dried blooms for a rich and textured appearance. Chic green yarn wreath. Use green yarn and decorate with fabric flowers, glittery fruit, and snowy pine cones for a chic and unusual design. Color block fall wreath. Combine rust, yellow, and white yarn for a color block effect. Add fall blooms and leaves to complete the look. Pumpkin imitating wreath. Cover the wreath with orange yarn and add fabric leaves and berries to mimic the shape of a pumpkin. Yellow yarn wreath with burlap ribbon. Use yellow yarn and adorn with fabric flowers and a burlap ribbon for a bold and eye-catching decoration. Halloween-inspired wreath. Cover a wreath with white, orange, and yellow yarn. Add a black and white bunting for a festive Halloween touch. Black, white, and orange wreath. Use black and white yarn with orange fabric pumpkins for a fun and easy fall decoration. Colorful yarn wreath. Choose a mix of colorful yarn and neutral fabric blooms and leaves. This wreath is easy to make and adds a vibrant touch. Neutral yarn with fabric flowers. Cover the wreath with neutral yarn and add fabric flowers with buttons for a cool and sophisticated look. Burgundy and neutral wreath. Use neutral yarn with moody burgundy fabric blooms and leaves for a stylish and dramatic fall decoration. Moody orange and brown wreath. Cover the wreath with orange yarn and brown fabric roams. Add fall blooms and leaves for a playful and seasonal touch. Red and white yarn wreath. Combine red and white yarn with neutral fabric flowers and leaves for a cool and modern fall wreath. Simple neutral yarn wreath. Use neutral yarn and add bright fabric blooms and leaves for a fast and easy fall DIY project. Summer to fall wreath. Transition from summer to fall with a neutral yarn wreath adorned with fall sunflowers and leaves. Stylish orange yarn wreath. Create a stylish wreath with orange yarn, colorful fabric leaves, and a dark ribbon for a chic fall decoration. Thanksgiving wreath. Cover the wreath with rust yarn and add fabric flowers, berries, feathers, and a wide ribbon for a festive Thanksgiving look. With these yarn wreath ideas, you can easily bring the cozy and charming spirit of fall into your home. Each design offers a unique way to celebrate the season. So gather your materials, get creative, and enjoy crafting these adorable wreaths that will make your home feel warm and inviting this autumn.